Hi all, today's topic is logarithmic test. So what do you mean by logarithmic test? Means if un is a series of a positive term and if n into log of un divided by un plus 1 equal to finite, we get, depending upon three conditions, we can say this a convergent or divergent or test fails the series. When k is greater than 1, it is a convergent, and k is less than 1, it is divergent, and k equal to 1, the test fails. So this is like a rabbit test only slight change in the logarithmic test. So check my video in the topic playlist. You can check it. Rabbit test video you cover and ratio test also you cover the video. Then you come means you can understand clearly. So it is nothing but what is the difference between rabbit test and logarithmic test means log will not be there in the rabbit test. Here -1 it will be there, that is not there in the logarithmic test for that case. So first problem, discuss the convergent of the series. So the question has been given. First we need to write the general format un. First we need to write un. When I write it for this problem, un it's nothing but x squared x power n. So 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared and 4 power 4. So everything. So n power n. So x power n divided by 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial is nothing but n factorial. So easiest way we have written the un. Next step we need to write un plus 1. Un plus 1 is nothing but as it is the same, replace n instead of n plus 1. So I have replaced instead of every n replaced by n plus 1. Yes, replaced. Okay, un plus 1 written. Next step we need to write un plus 1 divided by un. We have to divide it. Divide it. N plus 1 the whole power n I will write. First I will write as it is. Question I will write as it is. Then I will split the terms so that you can understand. This by un, so opposite divide. Okay. So now we know that n plus 1 factorial, it's we have studied in the 4th unit n plus 1 factorial in the topic of beta gamma function. You check my video in the 4th unit beta gamma function. So the formula is nothing but n plus 1 into n factorial. N plus 1 into n factorial. So now when I write this, I will split and write. So n plus 1 the whole power n into n plus 1 x power n into x n factorial. Numerator I have written. Denominator n factorial is nothing but n plus 1 into n factorial n power n x power n. So all the term I have written. Now cancel it. So which are all the terms cancel? Remaining only I am going to write. So when I cancel it, so n plus 1 cancel, x power n cancel, n factorial cancel. Okay. So in this n power n, so in this if I take n power n, I will cancel it. Okay. So in the numerator n power n, I will take it outside. So 1 plus 1 by n the whole power n I will write. X as it is already 1 n power n also there. So that also will cancel. So that every term has been cancelled. Only I will be having, this is the term I have it. Okay. So now we need to apply limit. So what is the limit? We have to apply limit n tending to infinity, limit n tending to infinity, un plus 1 divided by un is nothing but limit n tending to infinity, a given question, so 1 plus 1 by n the whole power n into x. So now you check, already we know that n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by n the whole power n is nothing but e. Okay. So it's EX. I'm getting the answer to be EX. Okay. So this is what is the test. Why we get EX? By which test you have to mention? By which test you have to mention it? Okay. So now depending upon your X only, we can say it is a convergent or divergent or test fails. So I will take all the three cases. If EX is less than 1 means then the series is convergent. Next case, if Ex is greater than 1 means the series is divergent. If Ex equal to 1, the which test it fails? Ratio test fails. Okay, now applying logarithmic test. So what is the test? Un divided by un plus 1. Okay. I will upside down. I have to write before the limit, whatever that parameter only you write. X equal to, you have to write x equal, ex equal to 1. We have to use that value. Okay. X equal to 1. We have to take and use. Okay. Or x equal to 1 by e. So x equal to 1 by e. We have to write it. Okay. So now un divided by un plus 1 first I will write, then I will write x equal to 1. So it's nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by n the whole power n 1 by x. So this is the un divided by un plus 1. Next only I am going to take, because the test fails. Test fails only I have to take it. So it's nothing but ex equal to 1. So x equal to, I have to substitute 1 by e in the given question. So given question, when I substitute it, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by n the whole power n. So 1 by e, so numerator it comes, e comes to the numerator. Okay. So now logarithmic test. What is a logarithmic test? Full form of the logarithmic test. So it's nothing but log of un divided by un plus 1. Okay. Now log of e divided by 1 plus 1 by n the whole power n. Okay, log, so log of this. Okay, so log, what, how can I write a log? When I have it in a divide, numerator something divided by something, means I have to split into two terms. Log e minus, okay, this is with respect to e only, log e, and log of 1 plus 1 by n the whole power n. I can write it divide term, I have to write it this way. Okay. So now log of e, it's nothing but 1. Okay. I will use it next. Log of something power n, I can write is n into log of 1 plus 1 by n. Log e is nothing but 1. Log e is 1. Okay. Next step I will use. Now after that, limit n tending to infinity. Okay. N into log of un divided by un plus 1 only, full formula. So now this is 1. Okay. So limit n tending to infinity, n into the whole equation as it is. The whole equation when I write, okay, log of expansion. So log is 1 minus n. Log expansion is nothing but, you should know the log expansion, then only you can write that formula. Log of 1 plus 1 by n. Log of 1 plus x. Okay. It's like a log of 1 plus x format. Okay. So what is the formula for that means? Okay. So when it is like this, x minus, okay, x squared by 2 plus x cubed by 3, x cube, this I will erase it. Okay. X squared by 2 plus x cube by 3, etc. So that only I need to write. Log of expansion is nothing but, so instead of x and all, I have to use 1 by n. So it's nothing but 1 by n minus 1 by 2n squared plus 1 by 3n cube, etc. goes on. So now you check it. N get cancelled, 1 get cancelled. The first term is cancelled. So limit n tending to infinity, n into, so I'll be having the terms, first term minus minus plus. So 1 divided by 2n, the next term will be minus, because minus symbol inside. So minus 1 by 3n squared, etc. It goes on. Okay. So now n is taken inside means the question will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3n plus etc. It goes on. So every n infinity means only 1 by 2 will be getting. 1 by 2 is nothing but is less than 1. Is less than 1 means what it is? By logarithmic test, by log test, if it is less than 1, the series is divergent. Thank you.